Welcome back. Now, Arnett Gardens are leading arch rivals Tivoli Gardens 1-0 in second half action in the final of the Alliance Monogram Mackay Security Casafa Under-20 football competition at the Drewsland Stadium. We now join the live commentary of the match on TVJ Sports Network.
It's going to be Reed. Swings it towards the near post. Oh! Off the line. It can't get any closer than that. Referee Terrell indicates it's possession for Arnett Gardens.
Well, they've had really good, close opportunities here.
So as we welcome the viewers on TVJ watching Primetime Sports, we're in the dying moments of this Alliance Monogram Mackay Security Casafa Under-20 final here at the Drewsland Mini Stadium. And it's Arnett Gardens leading Tivoli Gardens by 1-0. The all-important goal was netted on minute number 22 by Chevon Brown. It was a sweet delivery served up by Chevon Crooks. And Brown was in on the end of that one with a nice glancing header from near post to far post, beating the outstanding goalkeeper Shemar Jemison. And the scoreline has remained like that from the 22nd minute of play. Tivoli have battled, they have worked overtime, they have stepped up the ante, they have increased their level of intensity. They have brought on a couple of substitutes who have really put in a hard shift. They still can't get back on level terms as we approach the end of regulation time here with Arnett having that slender ascendancy and having one hand on the trophy. A couple of minutes may be added for stoppages, but Tivoli, 4 minutes in fact, will be added. Kimani Arborn has it now for Arnett Gardens. He has come to life once again, having gone dormant for about the last 20-25 minutes. And it's back with Tivoli now through Arthur Walters. He swings it forward.